Now we want to delete an individual comment by clicking on this delete icon if we've created a given comment. So we'll head back to comments. We'll go to our show comment function, and on the delete icon we'll add an onClick, add an inline arrow function where we'll call in the return a function which we'll name handle delete comment, and to it we'll pass our post ID and our comment just like we did for handle add comment. Then in the post feed component we'll create handle delete comment. It's going to take a post ID and comment, and we're going to pass both of these values to a new function, delete comment. So we'll make delete comment in our API file. So export const delete comment. It's going to look almost exactly the same as add comment. The only difference being it's going to be to the uncomment endpoint. This will still be a put request. So in post feed we'll execute delete comment, and we'll make sure to import that before we do anything else. And delete comment in a success case, we'll get back our post data. We'll find our post index with the help of find index, and we'll create our updated posts array. And this array will look exactly the same as the one that we're creating for handle add comment. We still need to pass through the post data, and this is because we're not getting rid of the entire post, we're just getting rid of a comment. So the post still needs to be there. Then we will call setState pass to posts updated posts, and then catch any errors. So we'll pass handle delete comment down through props, through post, then from post through to comments, then in comments to our show comment function, and that should be it. So we'll save and we'll test this out. We'll try deleting the first comment that we made. Nice post. We click it, it goes away immediately. We refresh, it's still gone. We can delete the second one, and it's immediately removed.